wala mo siya mag-isip na tiger.
Mura pa.
Galaxy, wala.
Mura pa. Mura mo lang manalagala. Puro mga ano, rose, mga piso-piso. Mga kaip mo, yun lang. Let me keep me. It's so sad. Malamig ay mainit. So, hi po. Hi. Okay. No. Good evening. Malamig. Ay po. Mariam. Hi, so 5 million. Thank you for watching. Basta. Basta po. Hi, salamat sa 11 million. Thank you for the 11 million viewers. Marila. Ay, salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you po. Marila. Thank you sa 8 million. Thank you sa viewers ko. Salamat po. Kumusta? Good evening, so. Thank you sa pa-thumbs up, guys. Please. Thank you. Marel. Thank you, guys. Thank you po sa nanonood. Pa-thumbs up. Pa-thumbs up po. Thank you. Marilan. Hi, salamat sa 12 million. Thank you po. Wala na yung goals. Marilan. Hi, salamat sa 16. Hi, Lord Crowy. Hi, pretty girl. You so beautiful. I'm Canada. What's your craft? Philippines. What language do you speak? I can speak English, Tagalog, Bicol. Hawak mo, RB Luzada. Sige, sige. Sige na. Anong ibig mong sabihin na Thank you. Clyde Crowy. The Canadian. Thank you po, RB Lusada. Salamat po. Hey. Pa-thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up.
Para nagparahin po na kung sa kalwa.
Sabay tayo Ha? What do you mean? RP. Ha? Naliligaw ka yata, RP Lusada. Tagasan ka ba? Marilan. Your smile is sweet. Thank you. Your smile. Jesus Christos. Thank you, Jesus Christos. Where are you from? Jesus. Yan Where are you from? From Jesus. I'm from Philippines. Country. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. Just a truth in your eyes, shame you never leave me. The chest pass and shake. It started fall. Thank you sa thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. It's been there touching me. Denver, Neil, Michael. Hello, Denver. Neil. Hi po. Salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Smile. Ano ba yan? Thank you, Denver. Salamat. The smile on your face lets me know. Troy Matis. Hi there, you are a beautiful smile. Thank you. Beautiful smile. Salamat. Where are you from? Troy Matis. Thank you sa thumbs up. Salamat sa thumbs up. Thanks. I'm from the United States. Nice to meet you, Troy. How old are you, Troy? Aray ka. I'm 50 years old. Okay. Still young. I'm 40 years old. The smile on your face. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines, Sir Troy. From Philippines. Filipina. Troy Matthews. Smile on your face. There's been no reaching. There's a truth in your eyes. Shine you. Are you blogger, Sir Troy's? Yeah. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa nanood. Thank you so much. Since joining live, I meet a lot of Philippines. So many Filipinos. Thank you for joining, Sir Troy. Nice to meet you. Are you a blogger? Are you a blogger? Are you seeing someone or you're single? I'm not seeing someone. I'm a blogger. Not seeing someone. So you. 564.2 KS. I'm a blogger and I'm single. Single. I think YouTube is for a blogger, not dating site. YouTube. Wow. I would have thought you would have been married with kids and a family. I'm not lucky for that journey. I'm not so lucky for that journey. Not so lucky. Ah. Are you married, sir? With kids? Family? Family? Married? Having a wife? With kids? Happy family? Happy family sana all. Yeah. lang. Wait lang. Wait. I have woman that I've been with 12 years, plus I have 9 kids with different women. Oh my god. 9? 8? 9 kids by 8 different women. Oh my god. 8 different women. Oh no. How you do that? It's easy to... So easy. Oh my god. I have women that I have been with 12. Plus I have 9 kids by 9 kids by 8 different women. Oh my god. How you can handle that? Easy go lucky. God says be faithful and I've been blessed. Are you sure you're faithful? For 8 different women and are you faithful? Wow. Sana all faithful. Oh my god. Yes, all my kids grown and I have been grandkids. Ah, okay. I thought I thought you have a happy family with wife, but I mean with uh 9 kids, different mother by 8 different mother. It's weird. It's weird. I can't imagine. Mm. Aray ko. How you see so? No. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for thumbs up. Thumbs up. For thank you for the happiness. I guess how you can handle. If you were over here, you would have kids and a husband. Same here. Same here, but not my destiny. Different journey, not my journey. Maybe we're a different journey in our life. Maybe it's a choice or destiny. Maybe destiny. Hi. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Please give the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Thank you for the 2 million. Kanina, 16. Wow. 16. Ngayon, dalawa na lang. Who's the lucky two? Who's the lucky two? How much more work? Too much work. Oh, I can't imagine life without your love. 'Cause even forever don't seem like long time. I see it's nighttime where you are, but it's daytime where I am. Time here is 9:45 a.m. there. A.m. am I right? Here, night here. 10:46 p.m. here, night. Maybe 9:45 in the morning there. Am I right? Am I right? I feel, I feel, I feel, I can't imagine you have a 9 kids with 8 different mother woman. Brandon Rogers, yes, it's morning for me too. Wow, where are you from, Sir Brandon Rogers? Yes, ma'am. AM here. Okay. Good morning there, and you say you feel happy. Yeah, it's, I always choose to be okay. Even it's not happy, but I'm okay. It's my choice. Have a morning there, Brandon. Where are you from? Thank you for my viewers. Uh, thank you, the lucky tree. The lucky tree. New York City. Wow. Beautiful city, New York City. Nice to meet you, Brandon Rogers. It's it's a pleasure to meet. Are you married, Brandon? You married? How old are you? Happy life, happy family. You have a kids. You nice to meet you too. Thank you, Brandon. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Are you married? You have a kids? I'm single too. Why single? How old are you? Why are you still single? You're young. Why single. Oh my god. It's not easy to find someone nice. Correct. That's a legit reason. So very difficult to find someone. We call it the one. The true love. The, the real one. Ah, it's not easy to find. You're right. Oh my god, it's not talaga. Uh, so many nice, a lot of so many people, so many nice person, but not all the time. We can say, it's, I don't know. Quite, I can explain. But you have a no, past relationship, writers, bandam. You made me stronger by breaking my heart. Even when my life from better would start. You taught me how life is what you make out of out of it is. If I choose to live life to the fullest, I am living my best life as I am. Yes, we have a different vision in our lives, so maybe you can. That's why you choose it. We have a different vision in our life because we have different experience. The experience. Oh my God, I remember so many things. What is your job, Sir Troy Mathis? Where are you? Where are you now? Hey, where are you from? I'm from Philippines, Brandon. I'm from Philippines. So true. Somewhere somebody going through something different, and I work at a chicken farm. Okay, sir, try. That's a good. Stronger, baby, cannot hide. Life's a little bit on the start. Oh my God. Tahimik, so quiet, so peaceful. Hey, how old are you, Brandon? How old are you? Are you married? You have a kids? Look like you're tired and you better get up, get you some sleep. I'm about to, I'm about to go to work and you have blessed night and take care. Thank you, but I'm not sleepy. That's why I'm making a live because I'm not can't sleep. I'm 27 years old. Oh, still young, Brandon. Wish you find someone nice, not nice, but true. I'm single, not married, and no kids. Wow, it's very single. That's good. Um, Thank you so much. I wish you all happiness and good health. Thank you, Brandon. Same to you. And of course, success. Good health, good wealth, and success in life. Happiness, of course. Take care. Try. Notice. Take care. Can't sleep, that's why I'm making a live. Oh my God. So maybe a lot of na sign of aging. Difficult is life. You look so good. Thank you. Are you a blogger, Brandon? Me, I'm here because I'm making a blog. I make a blog. That's why I'm making a live, because I need to reach the goal here on YouTube. Possible to earn money like that. I just subscribed to your channel. Thank you so much, Brenda. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you so much. I have started making videos again soon. Okay. I'm Alex. I will subscribe you after this live. I'll subscribe you, and um, I will watch your videos. Watch your content. Me, I love nature. I love nature. I'm a nature lover. You what's your content here on YouTube? Musician, artist like that, chef, content creator. I love nature too. Amazing. Yes, so very amazing. Relaxing, calm. Most when it feels stress. Nature makes me feel stress reliever. I used to make skateboarding videos in the city room. Wow. Skateboarding in the New York City. I want to watch your, I want to watch your video. I want to see the view of New York. Like, how beautiful New York. Wish I have me. I can, I can, I can go beautiful nature here because limited. It's difficult to go there because it's far. Need to need to vehicle like motor, car like that. Yes, nature is very relaxing. It's alright. That's it's true. Yes, I will send you my newest skate video. Wow. Wow. Thank you. I will watch. I will watch your videos, Brandon Rogers. What's your this is your this is your main channel. This is your Brandon Rogers, your channel here on YouTube. Yes. Okay. I will watch your videos. Do you have a TikTok? Like, I have a TikTok, same name. Same name, my TikTok. Product. I do you live with your parents or you live alone? Me, I live with my parents. Me too. Yes. Oh my god. Wish you here in Bicol, Philippines. Wish. Even I can still see you. Ah. Maybe this time a little lavender will find. Thank you for the 3 million. For the 3 million viewers. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. My earbuds. Oh my god. How, hey, how old are you? I'm 40 years old. 440. 40 years old. Old, older than you. 40. Oh my god. Oh, so much. You look beautiful. Thank you. Filipina look. Filipina. Filipina beauty. Are you pure American? Pure? A pure American? I thought you was 27 too. You look like the same age as me. How I wish. I'm looking back at the age of 27. Oh, yes, okay. Pure American. I thought you was 27 too. You look like the same age as me. Um, there are different age gap. Age gap. Here, cold. Cold weather. Rainy. Um, and then, I'm outside our home. Feel all cold. Feel sad. Feel cold. Feel sad. Ouch. It sounds very relaxing outside there. Very nice. Very relaxing because quiet place at night. But at day daytime, noisy here, loud. Ano ba yung tawag dun? Noisy, magulo. At night, relaxing, very relaxing, quiet, calm. Hey, I don't have TikTok. Ah, okay. That's okay. I do have Instagram. I just followed you on there. Okay, thank you. I have Instagram, same name, Instagram. I will watch your video on Instagram. Ah, my god! I have a friend from here on YouTube. Thank you, Brandon. Thank you so much. You can come here. Maybe you find someone nice here in Bicol at as your same age. 27. Archer 27. Hi, Mylene Rosales. Hi, Mylene. I see have a lot of I see some, not lot, some single here in Bicol. No boyfriend. No boyfriend and smart, beautiful lady. But I think this lady is introvert. Hi, Mylene Rosales. Thank you for joining me here. Thank you so much. Thank you. I see you now, Brandon Rogers. Oh my god. I see you followed me on Instagram. You're real. I thought you not, you just, but I think you're real. Because so many joining me here on live, not fake, not real, just talk, just talk, but not. Thank you so much, Brandon. Oh my God, I have friends. Sorry, I have friends on Instagram from here on YouTube. Yes, real. Thank you. Thank you too. I wonder why you still single. Oh my god, I wonder. I think you're just handsome. Thank you for being so nice. Ah, you're so nice too. I wonder why you still single. You're handsome, you look good. You're nice. Maybe I'm not, I'm nice, but I'm not kuan. Oh my god, I wonder why you. Maybe it's a perfect time. In God's will, you will find someone better. Better. It's cold here. Colder. The weather is maybe 28 degree. 28 degree here. Feeling so cold. Thank you. Thank you for staying watching. Aldiwara say JJ. Hi Aldi. Where are you from? Thank you. It's been some months. Hello. Hi. You will come. You will come. Say yes. Say hey. Hey. Thank you. Where are you from, Aldi? Say. Wait. 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 You're so beautiful. If you live here in New York, you would be my girlfriend. Ah, you would be no, not girlfriend. I will be your auntie. Oh my god. Old. I'm old. Mm, you are very young. You are very young. We can come here and be cool. Thank you, Brandon. Thank you so much. You're so nice. You're so nice. Say. Wait. Wait. I'm so beautiful because you say I'm not so good. I wonder why you're still singing. I wonder why. If you hear in Philippines or in Bicol, you will never be single. You never. Mini woman, love you. If you hear, I'm still single because we never met. Maybe that's why. That's the purpose. That's why maybe. Oh my god. If that's the reason. Oh my god, so many heartbreaks. Ah. New York have a beach. I mean, sea. The beach. Yeah. The sea. It's so funny. I'm still single because we never met. Let's say, wait. 'Cause I'm dreaming with you tonight till tomorrow. 'Cause I'm cold here. Thank you, Brandon, for being nice. Oh my god. That's nice. Very nice. Why? Kung may babalikan ang dating ikot ng mundo. Yes, I love the beach. The nature is so nice there. Yes. Beautiful nature here. Maybe in another country, but nature is. Um, but I really love nature paradise. Nature, I love green color, blue, the sunsets. Oh, so beautiful. Feel so in love. The sunset, the sea, the beach, the 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 trees, the green. I love I love it all too. Sunsets and nature trees. Yes. I think it's for me. It's different kind of beauty of nature. Oh, but I like city too, like Starbucks. Starbucks. I see New York City as a beautiful city in the America, the US. One of the beautiful city, New York City. My cousin live in Chicago. They are in America, in US. Say, hey. So love it. Cold here. You know what? It feels so sad now. And oh my god, I can't explain. Say. Wait. I follow you in Instagram. Say. Hey. Ah, I see you're handsome, Brandon. Why are you still single? Oh my god. I can't imagine.